Hello, good that you're here. You will hear the new words 2 times. First time, just listen, and the second time, speak with me. Free time. Free time. After school. After school. I listen to music. I listen to music. I watch TV. I watch TV. I love superstars. I love superstars. On Saturdays. On Saturdays. Netball. Netball. We win a lot. We win a lot. Team. Team. Practice. Practice. Lunchtime. Lunchtime. Captain. Captain. I help animals. I help animals. Animal rescue shelter. Animal rescue shelter. At the weekend. At the weekend. Cinema. Cinema. Science fiction. Science fiction. And movie. Movie. Free time. Free mit Doppel-E. After school. School mit SCH und Doppel-O. I listen to music. Music mit C. I watch TV. I love superstars. On Saturdays. Netball mit Doppel-L. We win a lot. Team wie im Deutschen. Practice mit C und C. Lunchtime mit CH und Captain am Ende mit AI. I help animals. Animals rescue shelter. Rescue mit UE. At the weekend. Weekend beim Week mit Doppel-E. Cinema. Science Fiction und Movie mit IE am Ende. Free time is Freizeit. After school is nach der Schule. I listen to music means ich höre Musik. I watch TV is ich sehe fern. I love superstars is ich liebe Superstars. On Saturdays means samstags. Netball is Korbball. We win a lot means wir gewinnen viel oder eine Menge. Team is Team oder auch Gruppe. Practice is Training oder auch Übung. Lunchtime means Mittagszeit, Mittagspause. Und Captain is Kapitän oder Kapitänin. I help animals is ich helfe Tieren. Animal rescue shelter means Tierheim. At the weekend is the same as am Wochenende. Cinema means Kino. Science fiction is science fiction. And movie is film.